All right, so with right triangle trig, we have talked about sine, cosine, and tangent, but there are actually three other trig functions which would be the reciprocal of these, so we'll talk about those. Those are called cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So let's do a quick run through. Let's say we have this angle theta, and so from this angle, my side that is 4 is the side opposite. The side opposite of our 90-degree angle, or the longest side, is called the hypotenuse. And then therefore the last side here, the side right next to this angle measure, would be the side adjacent. So if I was looking for the sine of theta, I would say the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine of theta would be 4 over 5. So we're going to say 4 over 5. The cosine, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, we would say adjacent 3 over 5. So 3/5. And then the tangent function from theta, from this angle measure, would be opposite over adjacent. So 4 over 3. And we're just going to leave them like this. Now what's nice is once you know sine, cosine, and tangent, then you automatically know cosecant, secant, and cotangent because it's just the reciprocal of them. So if sine was 4 over 5, then cosecant would be 5 over 4. Making cosecant, instead of sine being opposite over hypotenuse, cosecant would be hypotenuse over the opposite. In the same way, instead of cosine being adjacent over hypotenuse, the secant would be the hypotenuse, 5 over the adjacent, 3. So we're going to just take the reciprocal. Finally, tangent, instead of being opposite over adjacent, the cotangent would be the adjacent side over the opposite side, or the reciprocal of tangent.